Twirlywoos, the big red boat. Quacky birds fly over the sea, bring the boat close home to me. Look, it's the big red boat. What can you see? Quack, quack, quack is the quacky birds. Toot, toot is the hooter. Shall we go inside? Who is inside the big red boat? The Twirlywoos, of course. Great Big Who, Toodaloo, Chickity, Chick, and Peekaboo. Hello, Twirlywoos. What else can we find on the big red boat? There is the fruity machine, there is the teapot, and there is the table. Look, it's the Twirlywoos screen. And there is Peekaboo. Hello, Peekaboo. Knock, knock, knock. Is somebody at the door? Who could it be? Perhaps it's the very important lady? Me, me, me. Or the box? Or the stop-go car? Beep, beep. No, it's the marching band. Prum, pum, prum. It's time to go. Bye-bye, Twirlywoos. Bye-bye, big red boat. Toot, toot. The end. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.